Hi guys, today we will talk about some advanced command. Uses of this command are rarely, but it's very effective on automation. So we will discuss here. Firstly, our target command is visionLimitSearchArea, and it's actually used to put a limitation on OCR. Like in this case, firstly I will load a page, and as you can see that when we are search by OCR, actually it's take a total page, and if we want to target specific area of this page, then we can put here area. Give firstly we will give here area, and here we will give x1, y1 and x2 and y2 coordinate, such as I have installed an extension for coordinate. You can see on the right corner that it's giving a x and y coordinate, and we will see here like it's a first 215 and 175, and so firstly we will give here and 175, and next is we want to extract from here to here, then we will give here x2 and y2, and it will be this position, and so we will give here 600 and 464, 600 and 464, and next we will give here OCR command, any OCR command, like firstly give here OCR search. We will search here a dictionary, as we know that it's in a region, so it will return number of element, how many elements are present against this search. So I will run this, and I will see its result. As you can see that its result is 1, and if we go a little bit down like here, and we will see that it will not return 1, it will return just 0. Firstly I will see that its coordinate. Now you can see that its coordinate 220 and 208, 220, 208, and x2 and y2 will remain same because its region is same, but we want to go just a little bit down, so change x1 and y1, and now I will search here by play macro, and now we will check here. We can see that now it's a 0. It's mean no any element is found in this area, because our targeted area from here to here, so it may not found. So next is, even you will use any command of OCR, it will work. Our next command is vision limit search area relative. Actually its argument is image. As we can now that for define a relative image, we draw a green box and pink box, where the pink box is relative. So firstly I will click on OCR, and here I will write a OCR search and OCR extract for capture an image. So firstly I will capture an image, and firstly I will capture an image. As we know that it's an image, and I will define here relative. So relative mean here will be our target, and click on a pink box, it will be relative. So in this case our search limit will be this, like here I want to OCR search, and now I can search just in this region, so we cannot search total page just in this region. Like I will search here informal, and now we'll search here. As you see that it's target, and now we can see that in a variable section it's 1. And if we target how many time here high element, so firstly I will go here and in this specific region, so it will search in a specific region and return a number of elements which are present in this region. So I will play this macro, and as you see that it's a 3. And if we comment out this first line, and it's mean when I run this script, it will search from total page. Now we will see that how many times high present in a total page. So now this time it's 18 time. It's a big difference that high is present only 3 time in this region, but if we search in a total page, then it's 18 time. So it's a useful command in case of whenever we want to search in a specific area for OCR. So next is actually these are OCR relative already defined. So next is visualAssert. visualAssert actually it's used for just confirmation, like if I give this image in a current page, and if this image is present in this current page, and then it will go on other state on other command, otherwise it will raise an error. Like as we know that this image is present in this current viewport, in a current viewport, then when we will click on a play, it will run successfully. And if I will scroll this page, and now for testing I will scroll this page, because as we know that its image will not match here, and I will play again this macro to raise an error, and I will wait for this, and it will take us some time, and after its timeout it will raise an error due to absence of this image. As we know that it's raise an error. I will also check its log. We can see that it's not found. Confidence, so not found. And next our command is visual get pixel color. Actually we can we can take a decision by this command that any element is active or not, such as its color of this uh, color of this heading is different, and color of this heading is different. And if we want to take color of pixel, and we can target here pixel. So firstly we will check here coordinate, here coordinate of this, and coordinate of this 284 and 398, 284 398. As we know that its color may be blue, and its next argument will be variable where we will store name of color. It will be in a hexadecimal form. So I will run this command, as we are getting here a color name, and I will copy this for checking this color, and I will go here and write here color picker, and I will paste here color, and we can get its color is purple. And next we can also see that it's target, and it's also rounded in a circle, it's also rounded in a square. So our next command, visual search. Visual search, actually this command is used for visual search. Visual search mean like I want to search that dictionary is present or not, and when we will scroll on a top, because as we know that our targeted element was this image, and now I will search, and I expect that it must be 1, and I will run this again, and after its timeout it will get an image, get a here will be select, and I will search here this element as we now it will be 1, so I will check that it's a 1. And actually this command is used to visual search actually how many number of element are present against the search of this image. And if we scroll a little bit down for testing this element for testing this command that it's working perfect, and I will run it again as we know that it will not present in this viewport. And I will run this command, and it will go on a timeout, and after it's a timeout it will return only 0 because we have no any element, as we know that it's a 0. And first time we get 1 because we have a element in a viewport, but we have not any element in this viewport, so it's giving 0. And next is visual verify. Actually it's the same as a visual search, but in this case it will arise a warning. And no, here we will not need to a second parameter, only we will give here an image. So I will run this command, and after its timeout uh, it will raise a warning issue. And because we know that it's not in this region. And now I will scroll on the top, and as we know it's present in this region, and I will run this again, this command. So it's successfully run, and no rise and any warning issue. So it's me actually this use is for verification of visual element. And this was the last command. So I expect that uh, you are understand about how we can get a pixel and visual verification, how to give a OCR, or how to give a specific region to OCR for searching. And if you have any issue, you can comment below this video. I will try to respond soon as possible.